Hello guys, welcome to installation of Red Giant Trapcode 2026 for After Effects. First, you must go to Start menu, right here, Windows, Security. Click here. For a few seconds, you must turn off Manage Setting, turn off Real-Time Protection. Don't worry, you can turn on back. Next, go to App, Browser Control. Go to Smart App Control Setting, turn off. Click Yes. Next, minimize the window, extract the setup, and then go to Install Me first. Run, open. So, after installation of Amazon App 2026.5, go to Install Me second, install the plugin. And next, go to Install Me third, install the crack. So, after completing installation, then go to Run After Effects 2026. So guys, there is After Effects 2026. Create a new composition. Click here and click OK. Right click, create a new solid. OK. Go to Effects. And now here you can find Red Giant plugins are there. Select Particles. Select Trapcode Particular. The plugins are activated. You can use, apply for your project. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.